to Reese's Roman crib.
Ladies and gentlemen. This is our Hotel Quirinale.
No, I think it's Quirinale.
Hotel Quirinale 4-night stay in Rome. Right this way. The bathroom.
It is actually so nice.
Beautiful
we have an
shower.
actual shower. It's not in a bathtub. How
Nice
good.
big shower. We have a toilet and...
Oh, yuck.
Maybe that's too much for the vlog tonight. We're going for the European lifestyle here. And then the main event.
Oh my god, it's just so beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
I know, I should have started with the chandelier. Are you kidding? Oh my goodness. We've got a TV over here. I find it so interesting that you have a door to the bedroom, and you can close it off from the bathroom. So you have like this little hallway, and this must be wardrobe, like closet space. Stunning. And then you've got your bathroom that you can close the door to, and then you've got this room. Look at that. We've got a little fridge, got a little writing desk. Building right here is called Chiesa di Sant'Ignazio di Loyola. That Duolingo is coming in handy. It's a Baroque church with art and Jesuit tombs. I don't know what that is, but I feel like we should go and have a look. Let's do this first ever. How do you say it? Chachao pepe? Chachao pepe? Don't know. Am I allowed to do this? I'm not allowed to cut pasta, am I? Oh my god. What have I done? Oh no. Oh my god. Breathe. That's bringing tears to my eyes. Holy. That just filled my soul. That's insane. That is the best tiramisu I've ever had in my entire life.
I also think so, yeah.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, it's probably the best tiramisu I've ever had.
Yeah. It means pants. Good morning! We are currently on our way to the Colosseum. We are so excited. We've got a guided tour. I think it's called the Gladiators Gate Arena Access Tour. So we actually get to go down into the arena where they used to fight.
You want to kind of cross. So
okay.
This way?
But it's a pedestrian crossing. I'm really excited.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I think a lot of the tours don't actually go down into the arena, so
yeah.
I think this will be really cool.
I can't wait to see just the scale of it in person.
It's going to be massive, hey, like the amount of buildings that we have seen here, even like the Trevi Fountain, for example, it looks so much smaller in pictures, and then when you're actually, oh my god, you can see it from here, Reese. Wow! Woo! Guys, Reese doesn't want me to do the dreams. That part, you know that part of this is what dreams are made of? Reese doesn't want me to do it. But I told him I did not fly all this way to not do it. So, We're going.
Okay, reverse of the ancient beauty.
Hey now.
This is what dreams are made of. That comes in on lettuce.
At like one of the fanciest bars I've ever been to, looking over the Colosseum, and I order a cocktail that comes in a lettuce.
Guys, we've had the biggest and best day. I'm not gonna lie, this has been my favorite, I think. I mean, the cooking class was up there with today. This entire day has been so fun. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit tipsy right now, so I apologize if I sound a little bit meh. We did a walking tour of the Colosseum, which was absolutely amazing. We got to do Palatine Hill and Roman Forum as well, and it was just so in depth, and it just, oh my god, it was just literally the best experience. It was so fun and just learnt so much. Cross. I'm in a little skirt. We haven't had gelato yet, and I think we're about to do it. We just went to the court bar. It was so much cool. Do you have anything to say?
Everywhere you go, you always stop and have a drink somewhere, but to literally just be like looking over the Colosseum was just the best view.
So
it was really just surreal.
It was so surreal. There were so many moments that I just sat there and was like, this is insane. We're looking over this thing that was literally built in what, like the 1st century?
Yeah, and not only that, like directly under where the bar, like in front of where the bar was a gladiator training academy, and they had a little mini arena that they would do mock fights.
So crazy. And then it had tunnels.
It had a tunnel that connected under the Colosseum.
Yeah.
And it was like 1560s that it was erected, and it wasn't even discovered until 1937.
Yeah.
So for 400 years it just was
no one knew about
buried,
it.
You know?
Yeah. And now there's a cocktail bar right next to it.
Yeah.
this remind you of anything? Da-na-na-na-na-na. The Spider-Man bridge!
So viewers may or may not remember this bridge from Spider-Man 3. Harry convinces or sort of blackmails Mary Jane to break up with Peter Parker. And this all happens on this bridge. That bridge was in Spider-Man 2.
There's a film happening behind us.
You didn't pay the €5.
Yeah, he's
Join.
getting a free ride. This is so cute. Oh, looks like yours.
I've just been disrespected in Italian.
Every single day, every word you say, every bond you break, everywhere you place, I've been watching you.
That sounds French.
It sounds Spanish.
Okay.